Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to delete or disable any software that is starting automatically whenever Windows PC is turned on. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm gonna show you two ways how you can do it. So the first method is without using third-party software. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the task manager, and now on the above you will see here one option written startup. Just click on it and you will see all the application that is starting automatically whenever you turn on your Windows PC. So now you can see tons of softwares or application which are disabled or enabled. So some are enabled, some are disabled, so you can just select it and you can just click on this disable in order to disable this option. And if you want to delete those application, then just right mouse click on it, and now you can just click on this open file location and it will show you where the application is present. So you can just select it and just right mouse click on it and you can click on this delete option. So this is the first method how you can do it, but here is one drawback. If some application which you can see here, say this application name is easy, so if I select it and if I want to delete it, let me right mouse click on it. Now you can see here open file location is grayed out. That means it is unable to find the application where this application is being located. So on that case, this task manager may not be useful for you. So on that case, we're gonna try the second method which I'm gonna show you right now. So the second method is using the third-party software. So now for this, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Autorun Organizer, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. You just click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on next, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, and just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So now you can see it has detected all the startup softwares. So you can see here, and some you can see here it's showing with the straight line marking indication. That means those files are not available anymore on the respective path location, as you can see below here. So what you can do is you can just remove it by clicking on this remove. So now you can see here we have finally removed. You can do the same thing with the other. And if you want to disable some application, then you can just click on this disable option. So you can see disable, you can enable it again if you wish to enable it again. So by using these two methods, you can easily delete or disable any software that is starting automatically whenever Windows PC is turned on very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.